Don't tell anyone. It's alright. She can have one.
Millie, you want a treat?
Jersey, get down.
Jersey!
Jersey. Sit. Sit, Jersey. Here.
Don't you jump. Don't you jump.
Good. That's it. Hold on. Hold on.
Millie's like, no way!
You left. You left your treats, bud.
Hey, Millie! Hey, girl! Hey, girl! Aw, I love Millie. She's so cool. Casey, what are you doing? You guys fighting over the same spot? They're sniffing something.
Hey.
Oh, good girl, Millie.
She knows. Sit. Sit.
Chase, you want a treat?
Sit.
Sit. Chasey, you're going to have to sit.
Sit, Chase.
Comes the air deal.
Jersey.
Sit. Sit.
Oh, good.
Go down. Down.
Chase.
Sit, make her speak as well.
Speak. 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 Speak.
She'll do it. Just let speak. Keep talking to her.
Yeah, Chase, we do the same thing.
Louder than
Come on, speak. Speak. Speak.
That's what Chase does the same thing. He goes, oh, Chase.
Oh.
Oh.
You didn't mean it, bud. Hey, sit. You want to read? Sit. Speak.
Don't jump.
Speak. Speak. Good boy. Speak. 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 Good boy.
Chasey. Chase. Oh, there they go.
Ellie. Come on.
What a beautiful collie. That's Millie. All right, here comes Dad. Good boy, Chase.
Yeah, it is.
Chasey, you're so fast. You're so fast, bud.